Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can't use a string pattern on a bytes-like object. The error message, TypeError can't use a string pattern on a bytes-like object, usually occurs when you try to apply a string method or operation on a bytes object or vice versa in Python. Here's an example to illustrate the error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this kind of error. In this example, we first encoded the string hello to a bytes object using the encode method. Then, we tried to use the find method, which is a string method, on the bytes_ object using a string pattern. This resulted in the TypeError can't use a string pattern on a bytes-like object error. To fix this error, you need to either use string methods on string objects or bytes methods on bytes objects. Here's the corrected version of the above example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this corrected example, we use the byte prefix to define a bytes literal for the pattern variable, and use the find method on the bytes_ bytes object. This code will execute without error. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.